Hey guys, I'm Anna. Welcome to our English class at Solovov School. In the previous series, we worked with the red line, words which helped us to combine two sentences. These are that's why, because, besides, and, however, though, but. In this series, we'll be learning how to keep up a conversation. If you're really interested in the topic and want the other person to tell you something more, you simply ask questions. Let's take a look at some examples. Are you English? Yes, I am. Do they have a car? No, they don't. Do they have any money? No, they don't. Does she work a lot? Yes, she does. So, this type of questions is called yes-no questions because the answer is short, yes or no. Let's take a look at some examples. The positive sentence is you are English, so we put are at the first place to make a question. Are you English? And the answer is just yes I am or no I'm not. In green card, for short answers, we just use a subject and the verb to be. Now, I'm going to ask you some questions and you simply give me short answers. Is she 25? Yes, she is. No, she isn't. Are they Ukrainian? Yes, they are. No, they aren't. Are you happy? Yes, I am. No, I'm not. Now, let's take a look at brown and blue cards. Do they have a car? Do they have any money? Does she work a lot? How do we form questions here? With the help of auxiliary verb do, does, which is at the first place. We use do with I, you, we, they, and does with he, she, it. What about the main verb? We only use the base form without any endings. So, the positive sentence is they have a car. And the question is, do they have a car? Do they have a car? They have some money. Do they have any money? Do they have any money? Some changes into any. Positive sentence is she works a lot. We have she, that's why we use does to make a question. Does she work a lot? Does she work a lot? To give short answers to the questions in brown and blue cards, we use yes I do, no I don't. Yes he does, no he doesn't. Now, I'm going to ask you some questions and you simply give me short answers. Do you usually cook a lot? Yes, I do. No, I don't. Does she have any food? Yes, she does. No, she doesn't. Do they always smoke a lot? Yes, they do. No, they don't. Great! Practice makes us perfect. Let's look at the pictures and make up questions using the table. Does she have any time? Does she have any time? Is he a pilot? Is he a pilot? Do they sleep a bit? Do they sleep a bit? Do you have a car? Do you have a car? Am I happy? Am I happy? Does he read a lot? Does he read a lot? That's it! Thanks for watching! For more practice, follow the link below and subscribe to our channel.